Hey folks, welcome back to O'Brien Venture Outdoors. It's about 16:20, March 12th. It's been a while since I made a video, but been out here ripping this nice windy day. Ended up catching this nice big monster. Okay folks, it's quite windy today. I was out here fishing and caught this big nice lunker on that bugger. Yeah, it's quite windy out today. Yeah, I figured I'd go fishing. That's a nice looking one. My shoe. He's over. It's for about 20-something inches. But yeah, just figured I'd show him to you folks. Nice day to get out.